250 grams of roasted Sevillon, 1.5 cups of sugar powder, some chopped nuts, 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder, 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk powder, 1 cup of milk, 2 pinches of yellow food color. Hit dye and add B. Add chopped nuts. Fry them. Remove them and keep aside. Add Sevillon and fry them. Fry on low to medium flame. Stir continuously. Add sugar powder. Add desiccated coconut. Add elaichi powder. Mix them. Add condensed milk. Mix it nicely. Add fried nuts and mix. Sevillon is perfectly done. Turn off stove. Keep it aside. Heat pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add milk. Add sugar. Add elaichi powder and mix. Cook on low to medium flame. Add yellow food color. Give a mix. Add milk powder. Mix and cook. Stir continuously. See that no lumps should form. Mawakawa is done. Turn off flame. Take a mold and grease with ghee. Place parchment paper. Transfer fried Sevillon mixture. Spread evenly. Transfer Mawakawa on Sevillon. Spread Mawakawa evenly. Seviyan ki mithai is done. Let it set for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, demold it. Apply silver work. Garnish with nuts. Cut into desired shape. Tasty sweet is ready. Seviyan ki mithai is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.